stars won't shine until you're mine. The moon won't glow until you know that ever since you stumbled blindly, fell into my world, I have come undone, my heart's unfurled. No sun has set ever since you left. The clocks all stopped, but you did not. I need to wind the earth again to start it going round. Oh, I need to right what let you down. No, I need to right what let you down. The time has come to take a breath, get out this hole, get out of this mess of mine, of mine. Well, I've dreamed of you, but I need more than fiction in its purest form. But I'm willing to try. So I'll call you up with words of love and write you songs with your name on, and wait for all the orbits in your head to align. No, the stars won't shine until you're mine.